Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to increase quality in iPhone camera. Let's begin. So there's a way for you to actually increase or to achieve a better quality using your iPhone camera. It's as if your photos are taken by a professional photographer. But yeah, there's a lot of tips and tricks nowadays in using iPhone camera. So today I'm going to show you how to increase quality. First, we will go to settings. So tap on settings app. From there, choose camera. Once you're in camera, you do have an option here. So I do have another video tutorial, guys, in terms of playing around with your resolution. So say if you wanted to take a screenshot or a good photo, some people would actually use video and then, would just have a screenshot at a particular angle. They will just actually play around with the resolution right here. But just a segue, you can actually check our video tutorial for that. Just subscribe to our channel and check that out. So going back in terms of increasing quality, if you go to the bottom part of the screen, or yeah, of this page for camera, guys, there's like smart HDR, and there's also like keep normal photo. So you can see here that smart HDR intelligently blends the best parts of separate exposures into a single photo. So this would mean that you would be able to increase or improve quality of the photos that you taken if you're going to enable this one. Okay, and then I also showed you earlier. So say for instance I would want to access my camera. For video, upper right, there's like option for you to tap and click on resolutions. For photo, on the other hand, there's like tons of way for you to also, increase when it comes to resolution as well by, setting that up on your settings earlier. So there, I hope you learned something today. If you want to learn more about iPhone camera tricks and tips, you can subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.